Ak by ste sa teraz v tomto okamihu naozaj na taký moment obrátili ku svojim rodičom a vaše pohľady by sa stretli s ich pohľadmi, videli by ste, že ich tváre sú plné emócií. Emócií, ktoré môžu prežívať iba hrdý otec a hrdá matka. A preto chcem po vás pozdraviť aj vašich najdrahších rodičov, vašich príbuzných, priateľov, všetkých tých, ktorých ste si pozvali na túto vašu svadbu a všetkých vás, drahí bratia a sestry. To be right where you are. How old is your soul? Well, I won't give up on us.
Vieš, Tomáš tak. Dnes, Tomáš, si berieš našu dceru Stelku od nás rodičov a musím ti povedať, že v tomto prípade platia špeciálne pravidlá. Žiadne reklamácie sa neprijímajú. To, čo dostávaš, sa nedá vrátiť ani poskytnúť tretej strane. I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you find. 'Cause even the stars, they burn. Some even fall to the earth. We got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. No, I won't give up. I don't want to be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can make. Our differences, they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got here. We got a lot at stake. And in the end, you're still my friend. At least we did intend for us to work. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world caving in. I had to learn what I got and what I'm not, and who I am. Won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up, I'm still looking up. Well, I won't give up on us. God knows I'm tough. Even if the skies get rough, I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up.